Do you want to get access to the new About Me Discord profile customization feature? Well, you're in the right spot. Today, I'm going to be talking about exactly that. Now, I've noticed hundreds upon hundreds of YouTube videos that claim to show you some method, some code you can post in Discord, something you can enter into your console of developer tools, or a file that you can run on your account. And they claim that this will grant you access to the new Discord beta feature. But I've realized that the vast majority of these are actually scams and end up stealing your account information, and even worse, adding them to what's known as botnets and raid tools. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking exactly about how you can avoid this happening to your Discord account by explaining everything step by step, and also giving some information about what you can do to know the status about how you're going to unlock this new About Me Discord beta feature. So first off, let's start out with these videos. As you can see over here, there are literally hundreds of them getting hundreds of thousands of views. And you might be wondering, well, how do you know that these are actually scams? What if they work? You know, they seem to have a high like percentage. All the comments seem to be positive. Well, given some testing done by my friend here, Cole8888, they've discovered that a lot of these YouTube channels are deleting any negative comments that try to say that, hey, this didn't work, this stole my account. So be very, very careful of that. They've also noticed upon testing this on an alt account that it actually ends up stealing your Discord token. Well, what is a Discord token? A Discord token is a unique identifier for every single Discord account. You can think of it sort of like a password, except, you know, normally when you're logging into Discord, you need your email, or maybe you need your phone number, or your name, or whatever. But a Discord token, if I have your Discord token, or if somebody has your Discord token, they can just use it to log into your Discord account. So you need to be very careful about making sure that your account token doesn't get shared with others. And if you're concerned, you can always change your password to make sure that the token gets invalidated. But as you can see over here, Cole actually ended up creating a temporary alt account and testing it by running one of these files by pasting it into the developer tools. And what they noticed is the output was this thing right here. Now, if you've never made a Discord bot or you don't have much experience with Discord webhooks, you might not realize what this is, but it is the content result from a Discord webhook. A Discord webhook is an integration that's used to send messages. Now, you can probably kind of see where I'm going with this. It's gonna basically take your Discord token and pass it into a webhook and send it somewhere else. And these people are often sending it literally in their own Discord channels. So they're just taking your tokens, mass farming them, and what they can do with these tokens is they'll add them to botnets, which are essentially mass networks of user accounts which they use to raid servers, or they'll sell them online. So you need to be very careful to make sure not to follow any of these scam tutorials on YouTube. So now that that's out of the way, I'm going to show you how you can potentially get access to this new feature for yourself. Now the short story is there is no way to enable this feature for your account, but there are some ways you can sort of check for it. So as you can see on my account, I have the new About Me feature. I have the About Me over here in my bio, and I also have the profile banner. But you'll notice in the top right, it doesn't say beta anymore. And it did for me just a couple of days ago. It used to say beta. So what I'm wondering is Discord is slowly releasing this to more and more people. And I think as a part of it, they're no longer showing this exactly as a beta feature. But what you can do to test for this is join my Discord server at discord.gg/rjane. And in the bots channel, as you can see right here, type in the command d!experiment. Now, courtesy of the user on the screen right here, they've been able to identify that if your 4-digit number is between 1,000 and 2,000, you might have access to the experiment, or this new feature that's slowly releasing to more and more people. So as you can see here, my number is 1655, which coordinates with that theory. It does make sense because it's from 1,000 to 2,000. Whereas we have this another user over here who has 9955, and they don't have access to the experiment. So I'd recommend that you check your experiment status. You can do that by just entering this command in my Discord channel over here, and that should help you get some insight about whether or not you have the About Me or profile banner feature. Now, if we think about it from Discord's perspective, they're slowly rolling out these features so that they can sort of analyze how users are treating it. Maybe they get more Nitro sales when they have this new feature. Maybe users are more active. So they can sort of test these things out and tweak them as necessary. Now, this is really important for the company, and they do what's known as A/B testing to analyze this and verify this. But for users like us, we can't really change that status for ourselves because it's part of their experiment. It's part of what they're sort of testing out to see if there's any impact on the users. So you can check your experiment status again by joining my server at discord.gg/rjane. Now, a bit about me, I make Discord videos, tips and tricks, and tons of cool secrets that you guys need to know. So make sure to hit the subscribe button down below if you want to stay up to date with cool things happening on Discord. Subscribing also really does help me out a lot, so I'd really appreciate it. With that, you guys can check out the next video on the screen right here, which is going to be